Welcome to UTS Library's tutorial on Proquest Business. This is a database containing scholarly journals, newspapers, magazines and trade journals relating to business topics. Today, we will be showing you how to find scholarly and trade journals. From the library homepage, choose Find Databases, then search Proquest Business. Choose Available Online and then Proquest Business under Full Text Availability. When asked, enter your UTS ID and password. We're going to show you how to find resources about corporate governance. In the search bar, type in your keywords corporate governance surrounded by quotation marks. This tells the database to search those words as a phrase rather than as individual words. Choose Search. You'll then want to limit your search to scholarly or trade journals. To do this, choose More under Source Type on the left-hand side of the page. Then, in the Include column, choose either scholarly journals or trade journals. You may also wish to consider limiting it to the last 5 years by using the slider under Publication Date. This can be done multiple times if required to achieve a more specific range of dates. If this is still producing too many results, you can add more search terms to your search. This will produce a smaller number of results. You can then read the full text by choosing the words Full Text under a specific record. If you're not using your own computer, it may be helpful to email it back to yourself by using the Email Article feature instead. If the full text isn't available, you can attempt to find it elsewhere in UTS Library by selecting the Find It button. In this video, we have covered how to search in Proquest Business, how to limit your results to trade and scholarly journals, how to limit your results to a specific date range, and how to download the full text. If you have any more questions, please contact UTS Library using the Ask a Librarian link on the library homepage.